construction site. You see over there how the flyover bridge there. When we go to the mountain side, we go there. You see, this is the long bridge connecting also to China. You see the construction site here, the road not yet finished. You see built again, more infrastructure development here in Hong Kong. You see, very good this time. The weather. One car behind us. You see, he slowly go out because one ride only. Make no space. But very noisy when I recording my voicemail. You know, because the car very fog, cannot see in the mirror and this in the front side. No, front side cannot see because too much fog. You see there the mountain, very. I want to go there. You go? You want to go there? The top of the mountain, very nice. You have maybe a road going upside there. I'm right. Have the people stay there, living there? I'm also we don't know. I don't know. So we can go there. We can go there. What for how many kilometer? 100?
No.
200? 300 kilometer? Oh my goodness. 500.
Only 200.
200.
No, not 200.
Where we go there?
2 to 3 kilometers.
Oh, this one here in gasoline station in Lam Chai station. Lam Chai area in Yuen Long. This is or also Yuen Long, no? Yuen Long. So big the Yuen Long. This is part of Wong Sek Yew. Oh, this time again, traffic. So many cars go and out. This time we go out. There will rain come down. The window you can close now. Very cloudy this time. You know. You see. Where is the camera? The camera is in your front. You know, see, you haven't seen, not no see. You haven't seen the passengers still waiting the public bus. This time is very cloudy. They will form again clouds and then go to rain again. Yeah. Here we go to Yonlong. Not Yonlong. This is the Hong Sek Yew part. Not Yonlong. Yonlong over there. Hong Sek Yew is not the Yonlong, Emma. No. Okay. This one again. The construction area again. More development. Oh, thank you for your understand. This is the what is it? The construction yan. Road construction site there over there. You know, sometimes he ask and I asking to him, no answer. He don't like to answer me anymore. Sometimes he'll, sometimes okay, sometimes no okay. Oh, ring. Go to, where is it? Chun Mon. This is the bus B2 going to China. Oh, this is again traffic. The curving on this one construction vehicle is going out also. No, you go la. This is the B Yonlong station. B2 is the Yonlong station. Very near, in maybe 3 minutes we can arrive there in Yonlong. Yung too much talking, Amina. Amina, you make an announcement. Announcer. Again, raining again. Maybe my electric shut off again there. Again. Oh, okay. We can go in. You see the